Well, ECOSA is actually one of the most complex programs ever to describe in a short video. But basically, ECOSA is about teaching students how to work in the world in terms of designing buildings, planning, agriculture, products. Ultimately, the idea of design is that it is a problem-solving skill. So we try to look at it that everything's connected. So there's no, just do a building and that's it. It's the building, its site, its relationship to the whole city. What's the city about? How does it get its food? How does it get its energy? It's a blend of two words actually. So cosa is a Italian word for things, and eco is of course ecology. So you put ecology and cosa together and it becomes ECOSA, which means the ecology of things. And to get the students into that design process, we actually spend about 3 weeks getting them to learn about three-dimensional design, how to make a model in 3 dimensions, turn it into a sculpture, how to design a house. So it's very intensive in that way. It's a lot of fun because we do some fun projects. It's also 6 hours a day for 5 days a week throughout the whole semester. So it's really intensive in-studio work. But it's also a lot of fun. I keep telling them, design is the funnest thing you can possibly do. It's like going back to kindergarten. You get to draw and play around. So it's really trying to bring students into the idea that you don't come with a existing idea about what you want to design. It's through the design exploration that you actually end up coming up with this piece of whatever it might be, a chair or a table or a building. It's important because we're facing a real existential crisis. Climate change obviously is the big one, but there's a lot of other ones. Species extinction, sea level rise, all of these things are going to be needing people who have the skills to actually go out and start solving these problems. So we're trying to get our students to understand that they have to look at the whole thing. And to me, that's a very valuable skill to have.